Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll give you all a little quick update on the truck. Said that I was gonna bring y'all a video this week on it. We put the transmission in it last night, took the Turbo 400 out and ended up putting the power glide in it last night, but we didn't get finished cause it's sort of late, and I got to take my Turbo 400 yoke off my drive shaft and put my Turbo 350 yoke back on it. Cause a Turbo 350 yoke and a power glide yoke's the same thing, so I got to change my yoke back. I got to remodify my cross memory to bolt back to the power glide. So y'all hang on, guys. So here's what we got. This is my cross pipe that goes from the header over to the turbo log, and here's my cross memory. So what I got to do, guys, when I did my cross memory the first time, this here was actually on this side. So now what I got to do is I got to cut it off and move it back to the back side for the power glide, because it bolts up and they're about basically the same way as the Turbo 350 does. So I got to move it to the back side and weld it up. I got that to do. There's the 400 that was in it. Pretty much gotta do the cross memory. Gotta change the yoke on the drive shaft under there, and gotta get some fittings for the power glide for the transmission lines, and put the cross pipe back on it and the drive shaft in it, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up, guys. So just wanted to bring y'all a quick update on it. It's coming together, guys. I'm hoping this thing, guys, it's probably gonna, just by the Transbrake being in the power glide that I'm putting in it, it should go a whole lot faster now, because I can be able to build boost from the start line. So this here transaction should help it a bunch, guys. So I'm looking to hoping I can go on and go in the fives with it, with this change here. And we still only got 8 pound of boost on it. When we ran it last time, we only had 8 pound of boost, so I ain't even turned the boost up. Really haven't even turned the truck up yet. So we just gonna see how it goes. If everything goes right, maybe I can try it this Wednesday night. So so there it is, guys. A little quick update. Hey guys, I'm going to see my stepson today that got in a motorcycle accident last Saturday. That's the reason I didn't really get to film none of the No Prep Kings as far as the race. The little bit of footage that I gave y'all guys it happened before my son got in that accident. But I want to thank everybody that sent out prayers for him. He's doing a lot better. He's was in pretty bad shape, guys. He got in a motorcycle accident and he got broke up pretty bad. But I just want to thank everybody that sent out prayers for him. He's doing a lot better. We're going up there today to see him. He's in Myrtle Beach at the hospital up there, so we're going up there today to see him. So, but most of all, guys, I want to thank everybody that sent a prayer out for him. Thank everybody for that. I want to thank everybody that watches the videos and has been subscribing to the channel. I want to thank everybody for that. So, hey guys, I'll see you on the next upload. Thanks.